Okay, so we've got the unmarked resistors all outlined on our board with the USB and the switch, shunt 3. Now it's time to move on to step 7. So right up here above the S, we're going to see an R, a W, and a B. So there's R. If I can get to, there it goes. R, W, and a B. So we're going to fill those in and test to see that our switch and stuff is working. So right here above the S with the R, we're going to use the 330 ohm resistor, which that'll be orange, brown. If I can get it to pull up. So going left to right, it'll be orange, brown, and then gold. So we'll need one of those.
Just one?
Yeah, just one of those for now. And we'll stick that in the resistor marked R. And we'll put that on there. And while I'm there, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of the red LED bulbs. And stick that in the red spot above that, remembering that the short lead on the LED is negative. So this short one is negative, and the flat side of the image is negative. So the short side to the flat side, push that through, bend it. And then for the W resistor, we'll use a red, black, red, which is a 2K ohm resistor. So you can see red, black, red, and then gold for the W. Again, that's 2K ohm. And that. Push that in the W.
Right on the left?
Huh?
Right on the left?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah. Resistors are always red left to right. And then I'm going to grab one of the white LEDs. Stick that in the W slot. Again, the short lead goes into the flat side. Finally, we've got the blue. We need to do a 1K ohm resistor for that. So our 1K ohm is brown, black, red. So we've got brown, black, red, then gold, going left to right. I know this is kind of difficult to see, but there we go. Brown, black, red. And we'll push that through. And then finally, the blue LED diode. Again, flat side, or short side to the flat side. Push that in. Pin those. Now we get to come through and solder. Again, you want to be careful not to bridge it to any of the other pads. It doesn't take a whole lot. We don't want to leave our iron on the board very long because then it burns out the pad. We've started having an issue with that. And all of those look like good joints. So now we can trim those. Okay. All right, so that does it for step 7, and I'll just go ahead and jump right into step 8 over here. Okay, in your bag is this little USB cord. It's a USB A to USB A cable, so it's the same plug on both ends. And we will plug that into our board right down here. Theory, we'll put it right there. Got a little battery pack that I'm going to plug the other end into. Which one? Turn it in.
Oh,
It's the cord that's inside of a bag. Then I can turn this down here, go up to 5 volt. Make sure my battery's on. All right, so switch up to 5 volt. My battery pack is not staying on, so I turn it on. I get red, white, and blue. And that's what it should do. If all 3 are not lit, if one of them doesn't light up, there's an issue. I'm gonna plug it into something else, so it'll stay on. There. And there's USB ports on the surge protectors, so you can test them at your desk. So I've got a red light, white light, and a blue light. If they don't all three light up, then you'll want to go back and check to make sure there's not a bridge across one of the LEDs somewhere in there. Make sure the switch is soldered on there well with good connections across all 4 points. Make sure the USB connection is soldered well. And both of those are good. And you've got the right two, the outside two, not the inside two. Make sure that your device is on. Like a second ago, I was trying to use my battery pack and it wasn't pulling enough power to tell it that something was plugged in. So my battery pack kept turning off, which caused my lights to turn off. Now I'm plugged into a computer and it's doing okay there. If just one of the LEDs are not lit up, make sure that that LED is not put in backwards and that it's connected to the resistor, or that you've got the right resistor in there for it. And that does it for step 7 and step 8. Make sure to attach a picture once you complete step 8 into Schoology with your assignment. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, reach out to me, let me know. If you need to have a meeting, there's a Calendly link now on Schoology, so you can schedule a meeting with me. Until then, click like, subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in step 9.